Mommy's little cutie pie. Are you stacking your pails? Good job. Good job. Woohoo! No! No! Alex! No, babe, you don't eat puddles. Let me see. You don't eat puddles. No, you don't eat puddles. You don't eat puddles. Knock it off. Stop it. Oh my gosh. You want to go in the pool? You want to go swimming? Look at that belly. Oh. Stop licking the puddle. No! Alex, stop. No. Let's go in the pool. Whee! Catch some water. You want to get the hose, don't you?